Now I will be doing the turning or the transferring of the patient to a bed stretcher from a bed, which has a goal to transfer the patient to a stretcher without any injury to the patient and to the nurse. So we usually need a transport stretcher, friction reducing sheet, lateral assist device such as transfer board or roller board, a bath blanket, regular blanket, two additional nurses depending on the patient's condition, and non-sterile gloves and PPE if it is necessary and indicated. Now I will review the medical record and the nursing plan of care for the conditions that may influence the patient's ability to move and to be positioned, and I will also assess for tubes, IV lines, incisions, and equipments that may alter the process of positioning, and I will identify movement limitations. And then after that, I will perform hand hygiene and put on PPE if it is necessary or indicated. And then I will introduce myself to the client, verify client's identity, and explain to the client the procedure. Good day, sir. I'm Pearl Angeli po, your nurse for today. May I know your name? Okay, how old are you? Okay, sir. Ngayon po ita-transfer ko namin kayo sa stretcher. Okay lang po ba yun? Okay, sir. Thank you. After that, we will provide for client's privacy, so we will close the curtain around the bed and the door to the room, and then we will adjust the head of the bed at a flat position or as low as the patient can tolerate. Also, we will raise the height of the bed that is even to the height of the transport stretcher we will be using, and then we will lower the side rails of the bed. And then I will place a bath blanket rather on the top of the client, and then I will remove the top cover from underneath. Then after that, if there is no friction reducing sheet, we will place one at the under the patient's midsection, but the friction reducing sheet here is already placed, so it is already done. And then we will have the patient fold his arm against his chest and move his chin to the chest. Okay, sir. Cross po natin ang chin. Then I will use the friction reducing sheet to move gently the patient to the side in which the stretcher will be positioned. Or alternately, we can use a lateral assist device under the patient position and follow the manufacturer's direction. So I will now move my patient. One, two, three. Okay, very good po, sir. After that, we will position the stretcher on the side of the bed, and then we will lock the brake of the bed and the stretcher. And then I will have two nurses to be positioned on the side where there is a stretcher, and one nurse on the opposite side. And then I will use the friction reducing sheet to roll the patient over or to the side away from the stretcher, and then we will place a transfer board cross the space between the bed and the stretcher. And then after placing, we will roll the patient on his back again. And then the patient will be partially on the stretcher. So let me call my assistant. So we will roll the patient on the other side so that we can place the transfer board, and the patient will be, or the transfer board will be partially under the patient. One, two, one, two, three. Transfer board. And then we will roll the patient on his back again. Okay. Now, the nurse on the opposite side of the bed should grasp the friction-reducing sheet on the head and chest of the client, and then the other nurse on the side of the stretcher should grasp the head and chest areas of the client as well, and the other nurse should grasp the chest and the leg area. And then on the signal of one nurse, the nurse on the other, or the nurse on the side where the stretcher is positioned, should pull the friction reducing sheet gently, while at the same time the other nurse should push the patient so that the patient's weight will be transferred to the transfer board, and then the patient will be pushed from the bed to the stretcher. So, okay, now 1, 2, 3, saka 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, very good. Now, once the patient is transferred on the stretcher, we will now remove the transfer board while securing the patient until the rails is raised, and then we will raise the side rails. Good. And then we will make the patient comfortable. So we will place a regular blanket on the top of the patient, and then I will remove the bath blanket from underneath. And then we will also we will leave the friction reducing sheet at place to use again for the transfer or the returning transfer. Now, after that, we will now clean the transfer aids as per facility policy if it is not indicated that it is for single patient use only. And then we will remove the PPE and we will perform hand hygiene. Now for the evaluation, the expected outcome is met when the patient is transferred to the stretcher without any injury to the patient and to the nurse. And then for the documentation, we will be documenting the time the method of the transfer and the patient's destination according to the facility policy. And then we will also be documenting the use of transfer aids and